Okay, Dr. Huebner here with Carlos. Carlos had his surgery day documented on our YouTube channel, our video site. So he's here today for a second procedure, and I just want to kind of showcase his results. You can really see the difference between where he was and where he is now. So I'm really, really excited for him to get a second pass, second coat of paint. So I want to just show everyone, we've sort of drawn out the areas, so I'm going to really expose these areas. And you can see that all of this is grafts. 100% of these hairs in the front are grafts. So we're going to focus on the frontal third today, really focus on this entire frontal third. Next order of priorities is going to be the crown. So if you expose the crown, you can see that, again, all grafts. Much better than last time, but you can see that we're going to focus on this area as being number 2. And then we're going to focus on the third area. If we have grafts, we're going for a plus today in the central area. But he's able to create an effect with his grafts that he has. Huge difference from before. But this is going to actually just be that second layer, the second coat of paint. So just gave him the Valium. We are ready to go. And thanks again for showing everything.
Sure, absolutely.
Yep. Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Carlos, and he is here for a second surgery. At this point, we've taken out the strip in the back, and we've sewn him up. And he's now had all the little sites made on the top, and I'll show that later as we after we start putting in the little grafts. But he actually just woke up, not even that long ago. So how's your day been going so far? You know, what's the day been like for you?
Great, relaxing.
Nice. So much to where you could take a nap. I mean, and that was awesome.
Yeah, and that's one thing. You know, a lot of people have questions about this procedure. You know, whether it's painful and things like that. You know. It's really not. You know, you feel pressure in things and areas, and that's it. But if you're able to take a nap, you know, if I can do it, you can do it.
Yeah, awesome. And we do have optional Valium that people will take sometimes, help them relax. But he's been sitting here watching movies. We watched a Ford Ferrari movie on Netflix, so I think life's good. So we're gonna probably take a break for lunch soon, and then we're gonna start putting the pieces in. But we're gonna let him take a break, walk around. So. Nice to have a little update. Thank you for that, and we'll check in a little later. All right. Okay, we are here with Carlos. Carlos has finished his surgery. His anesthesia is wearing off in the back, so he's starting to feel a little pain, I think, so I'll make this brief. But thank you for letting us follow you today, Carlos. I'm going to pan up here and show everyone what we've done. So we've basically reinforced everything. We were able to get the entire area done, front to back. Double coat of paint on everything. So this is going to be awesome. When you see this guy in a year, big difference. So Carlos, how was your day today?
Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I think he even fell asleep for a little bit. We had some lunch. So anyway, thank you for showing us your day, and then we'll look forward to seeing your progress in a year. Okay.
That's good.
All right.
Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.